Bicycles are one of the simplest, smartest ways to travel. Two wheels in a line, a frame to hold everything together, handlebars to steer, and a seat to perch on, ready to roll. When you ride, you're not just sitting there like in a car. You're balancing, steering, and powering the bike with your own legs. You might zip to school, cruise around the park, or race your friend to the next tree. No cheating with a scooter. Here's the cool part. Your feet turn the pedals, which spin the cranks. Most bikes use a chain to carry that spinning power to the back wheel, and that makes the bike move forward. If your bike has gears, you can make pedaling easier for hills or faster on flat ground, like choosing a climbing mode or a zoom mode. Then there are brakes, which help you slow down safely. Your future self will thank you. Bicycles didn't always look like they do today. In 1817, a German inventor named Karl von Drais showed off a two-wheeled running machine that you push with your feet, no pedals at all. Later, people experimented with all kinds of designs, including those high-wheel bikes in the 1870s. By the late 1800s, the safety bicycle, with two more equal-sized wheels and a chain drive, became the style that looks a lot like modern bikes. Now bikes come in lots of types: mountain bikes, road bikes, BMX bikes, folding bikes, even cargo bikes that can haul groceries. And when you ride, you can hear the soft click-click of the chain, feel the breeze on your face, and watch the world scoot by at just the right speed. Fast, but not too fast.